decision to be more successful in life. Starting today, stop settling. When I finished my PhD in Miriam College last March 2011, immediately I got promoted. So, of course, my salary increased. So I thought, that's the end. That's it. That's all I can get. But after a year, something happened. I feel like I want to do something more. That's the time I started to refuse to settle. I started trying new things. I launched my brainchild I Can Change project. I conducted different seminars, training to different schools, to different companies, government agencies. I got many clients in the different schools, not only here in Bataan but in different places in Region 3. And some of my clients called me the rockstar speaker. After 2 years, I felt the same feeling. I want to do more until I gave vlogging a shot. So I became interested in interviewing different businesses, interviewing different successful people, and in giving advices to different people. At present, I was able to establish a steady 6-figure income just because I refused to settle. And more than this financial blessing or financial rewards, I was able to influence thousands of people every day. More than 20,000 people are watching my videos. OFW, business owner, students, teachers, and ordinary people. Where are you right now in your life? Refuse to settle. Leave your comfort zone. Stop settling. There's more success out there. There's more opportunity waiting for you outside. All you need to do is to make a decision to be more successful in life. Starting today, stop settling.